Okay, for this part, we're going to be working through this. If you're online, then you're going to go to slide 5. Um, and if you have your journal page, it'll be on 266. Now, we are not going to be doing the bottom of page 266, just the top part. And there's also a slide 6 if you would like to have a challenge. If you want to be challenged on this, you could do slide 6, but we're not going to go over that right now. We're just going to be going over slide 5 and also page 266, the first couple of them, not the bottom part. So I am going to go ahead and read this. It says work with a partner. Actually, you and I are partners. And you've got $10 bills, dollar bills into a bank for use for this. So if $54 is shared equally by 3 people, how much does each person get? So we're going to put a letter that represents, it says how we're talking about dollars here. So I'm going to go ahead and make my pencil work here by pen. I'm going to put D represents dollar, okay, for dollar. D-O-L-L-A-R. That's how you spell dollar. Okay, now over here we're going to put a number model. So basically we're sharing money. 54 divided by, with a little dot and the little dot, 3 equals D. Another way we could say this is 3 times, because it's a fact family, right? So 3 times D equals 54. Now there's our number models, and now we're going to try to figure it out. Here we go. How much does each person get? So again, we have 3 people. I am just going to stick my people down here. My stick fingers, 1, 2, 3. And we have 54. I'm just going to stick that over here to remind me that I have $54 over here. All right, so now I know I'm going to use the highest number, the 10, to share. I could share 10 with each one. So let's go ahead and do that. $10 here, $10 here, and $10 here. So I'm showing, they really like you in everyday math to show pictures or how you figured this out. So it's really important that you show your work. So now we've got each one with $10, 3 of them. That's 10 times 3 would be what? 30. So now we have 30 and we have to get to 54. So we're going to see how many more dollars, and remember we're going to take our dollars and we're going to share. So I'm going to go ahead and use tally marks to help me do that. So I'm already at 30 and I got to get to 54. So here I go. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, because that's what I'm trying to get to, 54. So now I can see right here how much each person gets. These are each dollars, okay? So 10 plus 8 tally marks, $8. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. So each person is going to get 18. So D up here equals 18. Okay, we're going to do that with the same thing right here. Again, if $68 is shared by 4 people, how much does each person get? So again, we're going to make a D for dollar, and the D represents $1. And let's make our number models. So we've got 68 here, and we're sharing 68 divided by 4 equals D. And again, we have a fact family for that, so we can go 4 times D equals 68. Okay, now I'm going to draw my people down here. I got 4 people this time, so I'm going to put, here's my one person, here's another person, here's another person, and another person. My total, I'm going to put right over here just to remind me, I have $68. So I'm going to give everybody $10. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. So I've got $40 now that I've given away, which means I have 28 left. But now I'm going to share. So I've got 40 and I'm going to 68. So I'm going to go ahead and share and put my tally marks so I know how many dollars that each person gets. So I'm at 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I'm going to 68. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. There we go. Each person gets this many. So how much is that many? 10 plus 7. What is 10 plus 7? 17. So there's your answer. Okay. These don't have a lot of places to work it out. So we're just going to do 72 divided by 6. So here we go. We've got 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we gave each person $10, that would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So that would be 60. And now we've got to get to 72. So here we go. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So each person gets this many. What was that? 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. So that would be $12. course, we are dealing with money, so you need to put the money sign. The money sign goes before the number. Okay, same thing with this. 84 divided by 3. So here's 3 people. 1, 2, 3. We've got $84. Now just think about this. $84, I think each person, they could get $10, 10, 20, 30, 30, 40, 50, 60. Look at that. They each get, there's at least 60. Now we got to go to 84, so we're going to use our dollars now. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So each person is going to get 2 10s and 8 1s. So how much is 2 10s and 8 1s? That would be $28. Okay, there you go. We have worked those out, and we're not going to do the last 2, but you can go ahead and go to online slide 5 and do these. And if you haven't done page 266, you need to do it. Hopefully you followed along with me and did it with me.